TeacherBelle and welcome to another tips review and tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please show some love and do subscribe so that you'll be updated with my videos about tech tutorials, app reviews, teaching tips, and reading readiness. During small group instruction, these questions are always the persistent concerns. How do we keep our students engaged? What is the rest of the class doing? And how do we ensure that our entire class is on task? It can be difficult to work with a small group and expect minimal interruptions. So the simple but complex solution is to foster independence. So the first one, or the first thing that's essential in a small group, is to have hand signals. Verbal or not, these small interruptions may lead to big problems for your guided group. Thus, I always introduce and practice hand signals for water and bathroom breaks. And take note, these are the only signals they can ask during small groups. And then I respond back just by nodding. The second essential element for independence in small group is to be working long and strong. So from day one, we want to encourage our students to work long and strong. And what does that mean? Working for long periods of time while staying focused on their work. And one motivation tool is to set a timer every day. So the longer and stronger they work independently, the more time you have for your small group. The next one, which is our third tip, is to set them strong. So give students individual tools. There are a lot of tools that teachers can use to help promote independence, such as individual word walls, steps to solving math word problems, steps to reading, writing checklist, and so forth. And number 4 is, it's very cliche, but how often do you hear "I'm done" throughout the entire school day? Students work at different paces, we know that, and finished at different speeds. So we teachers need to provide students with options. What can they do when they're done? This may be something simple as an early finisher basket. This is a basket with extra work that's aligned to their curriculum, or asking your kids to read quietly on the rug. When I do this, I usually set a minimum number of people. So once my students see that there are 2 people already in the reading rug, then they cannot ask for permission to go there. Okay? Or this is also the time where I integrate technology and set up their accounts. So I usually use Prodigy, Education Galaxy, Splash Learn, because these are some of the platforms that you can set up their accounts based on their level, and you can also assign certain lessons. But the bottom line of having a small group is for the teacher to be engaged in his or her own small group instruction, and that is non-negotiable. And the rest of the class needs to be engaged in something meaningful that they can work on independently. So during those precious first few weeks of school, it is essential that teachers provide students with the necessary tools to become independent thinkers. So this is fostering independence and accountability immediately from day one. That is the key to small group instruction. Thank you very much for watching and happy teaching. Bye! Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.